Hi, it's Dorotha from Quilts Plus, and I'd like to show you our product of the day. It is a hanging towel kit, and this is the finished towel. The kit does come with toweling for you, and you do have to wash this because this flat piece of fabric comes into this nice toweling when you wash it up, and it does shrink quite a bit. And it's a quilt as you go product, so you get batting, and this helps form the top part of the quilt or the hanging towel for you. Now the directions say to get 3 fat quarters for this. These are the 3 that I used for my Easter towel, and I have discovered that 3 fat quarters will actually do 4 of these towel kits. So if you wanted to make some for Easter gifts, 4 of the hanging towel kit and 3 fat quarters would be the supplies that you would need. Now, there is a button here. The pattern calls for a buttonhole with a button, which you could do. I actually used Velcro on mine. You could also use snaps instead. So nice, it goes right over your stove handle, and it would make a lovely Easter gift. Not hard to make at all. Happy Easter.